Hey guys, these are my Salon Perfect Halloween series Scaredy Cat nails. I first painted a purple base color, and then with Salon Perfect oil slick, I'll create half an oval or half a circle shape. Then with a black nail art liner, also from Salon Perfect, I'll create triangles for the cat ears. And all Salon Perfect polishes and tools are available at Walmart stores. With a nail art duo, again from Salon Perfect, I'll create two eyes with the large size dotting tool. And last, with the nail art liner, create straight lines for the Scaredy Cat eyes. On the accent fingernail, I created the cat paws with the large size dotting tool and 4 smaller dots. Thanks so much for checking out my Scaredy Cat tutorial. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also check out Salon Perfect polishes at Walmart stores.